Well, Constantinople is, in one respect, the last urban center of the old Roman Empire. Well, this year we're going to talk about the siege of Constantinople, the one in 1453. It was the last of a couple dozen sieges over hundreds of years of Byzantine Empire history, but this is the last one. There's a whole other element to this siege that Constantinople hadn't seen before, and that's big cannon. And in this siege, that matters. It is a physics lesson of sort. It answers the question, what happens when you lob a 1,000-pound cannonball at a 1,000-year-old ball? What do you do when you're locked into a city and no good way out with the enemy at the gates, literally? So you're completely outnumbered. Just your knights alone, you're outnumbered 10 to 1. The human element is extraordinarily valiant. What the knights can't accomplish, civilians try to. The Turks are coming at these folks from every possible way they can, which means by ship, tunneling under the walls, the cannon, scaling the walls, fire, anything they can do to bring down this city, they're going to do. And this siege goes on for 53 solid days. It's unimaginable for us. But the end is tragic in one respect. The history of Europe changes. The history of the Muslim world changes. The history of siege warfare changes. So there are a lot of implications on this one. I think the story is an exciting one. I'll try to tell it that way.